Hi guys, and welcome to 4x4 RC Action. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make dually wheels and go from this to this. Let's get started. We have our 1.9-inch deep dish beadlock wheels and we want to put them together to become dually wheels. I assembled them and for the moment they are identical. But we're going to change that a bit because you see it's supposed to go on like this, and because it's a deep dish it pulls out the wheel pretty far from the car, from the axle. So actually we want to mount the inner wheel opposite. So let me just show you here. So instead of like this, where you have the wheel is far out, we want to turn it around so it goes further in, because when we're going to put on the second wheel it's going to be very wide and we want to limit how wide it's going to get. So right now these are identical, but we're going to simply move this inner hub hex from the rim from here to the other side. So let's do that. So before it was here, and we're gonna take it and put it in here. Okay, so now we have the one wheel with the hub on the inside and one on the outside. Next thing is to join these two. For that we're going to need some longer bolts. It's M2.5 and the ones I'm going to use are 30 millimeters, so they can reach from the inside of this rim all the way through and attach here on the other wheel. And to help support the whole the wheels, we're also going to use this. It's like a long nut basically. It's M4 and it goes on the thread of the axle. So now we're going to put on the first wheel like this. And instead of the normal nut you would use to tighten your wheel, we're going to use this one. Like this. So now it looks like this. With these deep dish rims and these tires. These tires are not that wide, they are 40 millimeters, but they fit perfectly, because what happens is the distance from this rim to this rim is just about 20 millimeters. So when this one goes on, it still supports in here, and it helps stabilize the wheels. And because this nut also has a thread inside, in the end we're going to use this bolt. It's M4. I'll show you in a minute. So now that we have the first wheel on, we attached it, and you might have noticed I only used 3 of these bolts to hold the rim together. 3 on this wheel and 3 on the other one. It's because now it's time to use the long bolts, the M2.5. So we're going to start by putting them in this wheel we haven't put on the car yet. So because they have to reach from all the way from here until here, I just put them, I screwed them in so they almost reach the other rim. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this thing around a bit. So we're ready to put on the second wheel. What I suggest you to do is hold it on there, and because this long nut hits in here in the center of the second wheel, so you put it on there and you take your M4 bolt and you use that to kind of center the wheel, and that way you know that your wheels will be parallel. So when you start tightening the M2.5 bolts, you know that your wheels will be parallel. Just tighten that a bit, like that. And now we just have to find the holes. And there you have it. Your dually wheels. I hope you guys can use this guide. I hope you like the video. Please ask in the comments if you have any questions, if there's something I didn't explain well enough or information I forgot. Please ask and I will answer. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. More videos will come with trail videos, more tutorials. I have a project in mind for these dually wheels. Actually, they're not for this car in particular. They're for a future project. So stay tuned to see what's going to happen. Thanks for watching, and see you out there.